In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to enable the Snap to Objects feature on the Wix editor, a tool that can greatly enhance your website editing experience. This function helps you align your page elements to one another with flawless precision, ensuring a more professional and visually pleasing appearance for your site. First things first, you'll need to launch and make your way into the Wix editor. If you have designed a website on Wix before, this step is pretty straightforward. All you need to do is navigate to Wix's homepage, log into your account, and access the editor for the specific website you want to work on. If you're new to Wix, you may need to sign up, create an account, and develop your first website before you can get to this part. Once you have your website opened in the editor, you should see a variety of menus, toolbars, and icons scattered around the screen. For this tutorial, your focus is on the Tools menu, which will give you access to a range of editing tools that can make your designing process much smoother. You can find this menu located in the upper right corner of your editor screen. Now, with your eyes fixated on the upper right corner, you should locate the Tools menu without much hassle. Click on it, and a drop-down menu with diverse options will appear. Among these options is what you're here to enable, the Snap to Objects checkbox. This particular feature is incredibly beneficial as it helps you easily align objects on your web page, saving you the trouble of trying to get everything straight manually. Once the Tools drop-down menu is open, your task is to ensure the Snap to Objects checkbox is checked. If it isn't already marked, go ahead and click on the small box left to the Snap to Objects option. A tick should appear indicating that the feature is now active. If, for any reason, you want to disable this feature in the future, simply go back and uncheck the box, and voila! You have successfully enabled the Snap to Objects option on Wix Editor. With this tool turned on, expect an expedited and more enjoyable website editing experience as objects logically align themselves on your pages. Remember, mastering the Wix Editor and its numerous features might take a bit of time and practice. Don't be discouraged if you find aspects of it confusing initially. Keep exploring, keep learning, and soon enough, you'll be navigating and manipulating your site with total confidence. Thank you for tuning in, and happy editing!